Yeah. You prefer Kerala, yeah?
Experience
Yeah.
showing the qahwa, the making of the qahwa.
Yeah.
And over there, the interesting part.
This is made from what? What? Same palms.
Yeah, the palms. And if you go there, you will be able to see to meet first of all the artisans
Yeah.
who actually made all the gifts or the products that you saw already in the gift shop.
Hello and welcome back to Experience Africans, the channel where we explore the diverse cultures and experiences of Africans at home and abroad. Today I want to share with you my visit to Abu Dhabi.
The ones who worked actually in making it.
Wow.
Yes. So you can meet them actually. Here they basically present.
Yeah.
Okay, over here you can see the ladies actually.
Yeah.
They are working on a craft called the khous,
Yeah.
which is made out of the palm tree leaves, as you can see.
Okay, so this is
And-
where the name Al Khus comes from.
Yes, it's actually a khous. It's inspired really from the material it's made out of.
As someone who loves culture and knowledge, I was excited to continue my journey of traveling and creating content. However, when I arrived in Abu Dhabi, I was struck by the incredible development that the city has undergone. I wanted to learn more about the history of the place and its people, and the House of Artisans seems like the perfect place to start. The House of Artisans is a historic monument that offers a glimpse into the lives of the artisans who live in Abu Dhabi, the Arab artisans. And after the discovery of oil, many of these artisans still practice their craft to this day. Yeah.
Which is the palm tree fronts. We have a large palm there, just to show you actually the tools. And over here they present to visitors, to guests, lots of objects that they would create out of khous. They could be traditional or even modern. For example, they can make you bracelets with khous. They can also they're working on making these we can
Water
say
bottles
yeah, for the water bottle.
to keep the water cold.
Exactly, and also we have one for the hot stuff.
Yeah.
And they make also slippers out of.
Yeah, we also make shoes.
Yeah, you have shoes.
Yeah, we
Yes.
also make shoes.
So here you can see more tools, traditional tools that
Yeah.
were made out of cloth.
Yeah.
For example, these kind of baskets called
Yeah.
jifir.
Yeah.
We have the haffa,
Yeah.
which is a fan. We have makabba.
Yeah, we have this
You
also.
have this one?
Yeah, the cap also.
Yes.
The basket, I told you already.
Yeah, is it like this is a hat, right?
Yeah, with the hat.
Okay.
We have also like this.
Okay.
But we make not in this shape.
Yes.
Here it is bent, open.
Yes.
So like you have like a white covering for the sun.
Wow.
Yes. So after making like this, here you extend it.
See, people
Round.
were clever.
Sorry, let me just show you.
Yes.
It's like this. Now it
Yeah,
has this.
it has like this as well, so it covers like.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
that's how we make it. Sorry.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
By the way, this one
Yeah.
is actually makabba and it's a food cover.
Okay.
So they use it both
Oh,
ways.
this is a food cover.
Yes, it's called makabba.
Yeah.
The main use of it is actually to cover the food, so
Yeah.
there are no flies comes or
Alright,
like
alright.
it remains warm.
Yeah.
And this is sarud, which is a mat, the same
Yeah.
one that you have.
Yeah, but
yeah.
bigger.
Bigger, yes.
Yeah.
And this serves like a table. In the past, they hadn't tables.
Okay.
So this kind of sarud were placed on the ground on
Yeah.
the river buffet.
Yeah.
Hot stuff or hot food. They
Okay.
would actually gather all around this table to
Yeah.
eat.
Yeah,
So
okay.
it depends on the really how many people are
Yeah,
there. Like
but
to,
this coloring, is it traditional dye?
yeah. So
Because
actually,
we have what we call traditional dye.
Yes.
We also dye it into different colors.
yeah.
Our traditional mats, I'll show you a picture.
Okay.
Maybe before we finish.
Yeah.
It's so colorful.
Yes, actually the dyes, as you're talking about it, if you look at the other side, you will see the natural dyes.
Okay.
Over there. It's actually plants and spices available in the region
Yeah.
that were crushed using this manhaz and rashad. It's
Okay.
actually a tool used to grind or like to crush the spices,
Okay.
and we take out the color out of these
Spices. And
But
then,
when I asked actually the artisans,
Yeah.
they said that their grandmothers and the grandmothers,
Yeah.
they wouldn't actually use spices. They had natural dyes.
Yeah.
I think it's the same.
natural
as well.
dyes.
Yes.
Yeah, from
They
from
wouldn't, like, use these.
yeah, mostly from herbs and other things. They make their dyes and flowers.
And here you
Yeah.
can see how
Exactly.
they color them with different colors.
This one we call it kajinjiri. Kajinjiri. Kajinjiri.
Kajinjiri.
Yes.
Okay.
This is what we use in my village.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's what we call it, and we make it in this same colors.
These like
Yeah.
different colors. I
Yeah.
think there are lots of similarities like to make And actually, that artist that I'm talking about,
Yeah.
Pascal in the Cultural Foundation,
Yeah.
he has a full exhibition that speak about the African culture. So I can relate to what you're saying,
Yeah.
especially the use of colors,
Colors.
the tools, and
Yeah.
all of that. Here you can see the process,
Yeah.
of course.
Okay.
Now the lady will start actually to make it.
Okay.
But here there is a video available for the visitors as well.
That can just watch.
To watch it. Yes.
So it's Khos, Khos.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Oh.
this is the first
Yeah.
craft, and here is the colors. How
Exactly.
it
We
shows.
match same like that.
Yes.
It's a technique,
yeah.
and that's to tell you, you know, we have a lot of palm, not the dates.
Yes.
We also have palm,
yeah.
palm that we make oil out of it.
Yes.
We call it palm oil.
Okay.
We have so much of it, and I'm just gonna tell you, a lot of it, the trunks, a lot of it goes to waste.
Oh.
One of the most fascinating thing that I've seen here today
Yes.
is this beautiful work, this whole thing, and the idea of this chandelier here, coming
here,
from
yes.
the palm.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's another byproduct of the palm.
That one, yes, it's actually the wool of sheep.
Okay.
It's actually because wherever like we're entering, each pavilion represents one craft.
Okay.
So, for example, khus is made out of the palm trees.
Yeah.
That's why we have the center
Okay.
of like the
Center
craft
of
itself.
attraction? Yeah.
Yeah, at the center of the pavilion itself.
Okay.
So here is the khus.
Yeah.
There we have another craft called
Okay.
sadu,
Okay.
made out of the wool.
Yeah.
And over there we have the bobbins or these like threads.
Yes.
Because that craft is more like of a textile like
Textile,
craft.
okay.
Yes. So it's called tali. I'm gonna show you now.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go to Telly. So
Yeah.
I can show you the video.
Okay. Okay.
So here is a craft called. So that one is khus.
Yes.
This one is Telly
Okay.
or Telly.
Okay.
It's actually where the ladies use threads,
Yeah.
cotton threads, intertwining them with silk
Okay.
or gold and silver threads to make actually these designs.
Pure gold.
In the past, yes, it depended really on the social class of the person.
Okay.
That they would use real silver or kind of gold.
Yeah.
But nowadays, or like at that time, for normal people, they would use like normally just like a gold color or silver color.
Yeah. Sorry.
So over here, you can see how the lady is working on them.
Yeah.
Ali Sabah.
Silver and gold. Yeah. Hello.
Ali Sabah. Okay, so you can take only like videos of.
Just the material. I don't take their faces.
Yes.
Yeah.
So over here, after like finishing these designs,
Yeah.
let me show you the word.
Okay.
Tali. This is tali.
Tally. Yeah. Tally.
So,
This
as
is,
I mentioned, it's a traditional like form of decorative embroidery.
Yeah.
And over there, you can see the sleeves.
Okay.
And
Are
the
made
part of the
from.
neck. Yes.
They are made from the same tally.
Same tali. You
Okay.
have similar.
Yeah, we do have embroidery. We have like.
Yes.
There's something we have there. I'll show you. Also.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So over there, you can see the designs.
Because we also do this.
Yeah,
Trading.
this one, yeah.
The local trading, we
yeah,
do it.
this is for tents, carpets.
Okay.
Yeah, so over here you can see the tools that are
Yeah.
used to make tali. The lady
Yeah, I
is
can
using
see.
it. So basically here we have a replica, but this is normally in metal.
Okay.
And it's called kajuja.
Okay.
This is
Kajuja.
the traditional Emirati name.
Yeah.
There's no like meaning for it. It's
Yeah.
just like the tool used to make the work on the tali stable
Yes.
and more like easier.
Okay.
And here we have the cushion, which is
Okay.
called musada or cushion.
Yeah.
That's used actually to facilitate also the work
Yeah.
or to make it stable for them like while working
Yeah.
on the tali. And you
Yeah.
can see that some bobbins here.
Yeah.
So that they would stop, for example, if in a day they felt خلاص enough
Tired,
making it,
they
can
stop
or
it.
tired, they can stop it
Okay.
and continue doing it the
Okay.
other day. And here we have different designs.
Yeah. Different.
And يعني it
Shades,
really,
different shades. Yeah.
So it really depended on the choice of the person how they wanted to intertwine the colors all together.
And the social class also.
Yes, but you will find the gold or
Yeah.
silver somewhere,
Yeah.
like in it, and also the rose gold,
Okay.
the reddish gold as well,
Yeah.
represented. And after the making, they would add it to the neck area
Yeah.
and to the sleeves. So
Okay.
basically, there are differences between these two.
Yeah.
This is the dress that they would wear on a daily basis
okay.
at home for cleaning, for
Kandura.
everything.
Kandura.
We
Yeah.
don't, actually, they call it kandura, but it's more like a thobe.
Okay.
Thobe,
I
which
can
is a
see
dress.
top. Yeah. There's.
Kandura is the white long garment
Okay.
worn by men. You
Yeah.
know, the
Yeah.
white
That's
one,
why I was confused when I saw Kandura.
Yeah, it's like
Because
that's
for
not-
us we say jalabia for the long
Jalabia,
dress.
yeah.
But I came to Dubai. I got to find out
Yes.
the UAE that jalabia is for ladies
Yes,
and the
and
kandura is for
kandura is for
Yeah, so-
and we call it mukhawara as well.
muhakwa.
Mukhawara.
And you can see them at work in the House of Artisans. Even though I paid an entry fee of about $10, it was very worth it. Every penny meant everything to me. I learned so much about the art of recycling palm trees, from the trunk to the leaves. It was truly fascinating to see how these artisans have been able to turn something as simple as a palm tree into so many useful items. Get the idea about their craftsmanship, the things that they do is written verse of the Quran. So you're gonna see their designs, things that they have made. Okay? So that's it right here and right now at the House of Artisans. Do it yourself. I was talking about people being creative, designing stuffs. I love this door. This is really a door. Some spices. So nice. So if you are planning a trip to Abu Dhabi, be sure to add the House of Artisans to one of your itinerary. You won't regret it. And don't forget to subscribe to Experience Africans for more travel experience and stories of Africans around the world.